Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2014 Ram 1500 SLT. Under the hood we have a 3.6 liter V6 engine and an 8-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in black, looks fantastic. You got that bug deflector up front there with your chrome accented grille. You do also have your chrome bumper with your tow hooks there and your lights, very bright. You do also have your fog lights down there. And coming around the side here we do have our Goodyear Wrangler brand tires with our 17-inch rims. They look great, lots of tread on them. You do also have your heated exterior mirrors with your turning signal. You do have your running boards along the bottom. And coming around to the back, we do have a 6-foot box back here. Now we got the SLT badging as well as the backup camera, the 4x4, and we do have our parking sensors back here with our backup camera. You can open this guy up. Lots of room back here. Does also have the box liner on it, so nothing will be getting wrecked. Got our keys here, 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock, and we got our panic button there. Let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside. So on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks, and this guy does bring in your mirrors. Got your handle here and some storage here and here. Looks awesome in here. The cloth seats are very comfortable. They are electric as well, so you do have the backward and forward tilt and lumbar support there. And then up here we got the controls over lights, so our auto, off, daytime running lights and low beams, as well as our fog lights and in-cabin light control there. And then right up here we do have the control over the turning signals, the windshield wipers, and the high beams. Let's start her up here, key in the ignition, and we're good to go. Now right in the center here we do have our speedometer and odometer, as well as fuel gauge and engine temperature. We also have our battery and oil life up there. And then in the center it does tell us how many kilometers we have, the range, the temperature outside, and which way we're facing. And we can switch it around to our vehicle info, fuel economy, our trip A and B. You also have your audio, your messages, your screen setup, and back to your speedometer. That is controlled from right here with your Bluetooth options, horn in the center, and cruise control options right there. And then over here we do have our gear shift. It does also have the 2-wheel, 4-wheel low, and 4-wheel lock. And then when you are in reverse, you have the ever-useful backup camera, keeping you nice and safe. Over here we do have the AM, FM, and Sirius XM, and it is a 8.4-inch touchscreen display. So you got your media tab over here as well with your USB, aux cord, Bluetooth, and SD card. Your controls over your heated seat and heated steering wheel. Climate control, so you have all that there. As well, you got your navigation, so if you hit view map, you can see we are on Rec Place. We also have our phone options if we have one hooked up through Bluetooth, and our settings right there. Down here, we got the volume up and down with the mute, screen off, hazard lights, back button, tuner and browser, AC, circulation, front and rear defrost over here, and then your temperature control, and the power and the off. Then in the center, we do also have our traction control, tow and haul mode, our parking sensors, and then our heated seats and heated steering wheel. And you got lots of storage in here. You got your cup holders and your armrest, doubles as a storage container. Some coin holders there with a USB, aux cord, and SD card plug in there. You can also fold this guy up. You got extra storage in there. Then you do have your top and bottom layers right over here for your glove boxes. Then up here we do have our universal garage door opener, and we also have the control over the window in the back. Let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. On the door you have your handle, control over your windows, and a handle here. Looks awesome back here. It does have seating for 3 people. You can fold these guys up and you got some storage just underneath there. As well, you can fold this guy down and you do have a flat surface to put stuff on top of. And there's our 3.6 liter V6 engine. Well, that does it for my walk around video of the 2014 Ram 1500 SLT. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.